connection secure?
Confirmed, Supervisor. All clear.
Acknowledged. Open the trailer doors.
Easy now. Keep moving. Clear on the left side. The next group is ready. Okay, this one is clear. Register him.
ID scan complete. Moving to Pen 3. Station 3. Equipment check complete?
Yes, sir. All scanners calibrated and ready.
Excellent. Let's begin the intake process.
Please ensure all safety gates are locked. Then begin the infrared scanning sequence.
Check the symmetry on the left horn.
Data captured. Reading is stable.
Joint mobility is excellent. No signs of irritation detected by the scanner. Please log this one as fully compliant. Records match the physical tags. All clear on my end. Confirmed. Initiating gate sequence.
Looks good, team. This one is ready for the wash bay.
Yes, sir. Brush is sanitized and ready.
Keep the line moving smoothly. We're clear for the washing sequence now. Systems check complete. Ready to initiate wash sequence.
Confirmed. Activating now.
Check the shoulders, make sure the foam is gone. Clear. Moving to the tail.
Temperature steady at 35.
Airflow looks good, they are almost dry.
Inspection complete on Bull 7. All parameters passed.
Confirmed. Ready for the next stage.
Physical check is clear. What's the scanner status on the tag?
Verified. All systems show a pass for this group.
All checks confirmed on the manifest.
Aisle 4 is clear. Proceed to the next section.
The particle count is 0. Looks completely clean. Agreed. Send it to the next station.
Large rotating conditioning drums soften the leather naturally. Premium oils are evenly absorbed into the material. The leather becomes smooth and flexible.
Fancy. Automatic machines adjust every belt to the same thickness. Rollers compress the leather gently.
Automatic cutting machines create buckle openings. Every slot matches buckle dimensions exactly. Sensors monitor cutting accuracy.
Lobers. Automatic machines apply protective edge paint evenly. The coating seals the leather completely. Heated dryers
Residence. Leather loops are installed behind each buckle. Automatic machines stitch or rivet them securely. Young check the manifest for the European shipment. Looks clear. We are on schedule for dispatch.
Documentation complete, Supervisor. The shipment is ready to roll.
Welcome to the factory. Please back the truck into Bay 3. We'll start unloading immediately.
Check the flexibility on this edge. It seems a bit stiff.
It is. And the caliper reading is slightly off here. We must reject this part.
Automatic cleaning machines remove dust and surface particles. Soft rotating brushes polish both sides carefully. Air blowers eliminate every remaining impurity.
Stigmasis. Computer designers prepare wallet templates for multiple sizes. CAD software creates accurate cutting patterns.
The moisture content is perfect now.
Yes, the color saturation is excellent too.
Looks good. Send it on.
Precision trimming machines smooth every leather edge. Sharp blades remove rough material instantly. Workers inspect every corner carefully. Smooth edges improve the luxury finish.
Automatic machines apply protective edge paint evenly. The coating seals every leather layer. Heated dryers cure the paint quickly, and workers verify the finish. Soft polishing wheels apply our premium leather wax evenly. Then, our skilled workers buff the leather carefully until a rich, glossy finish is achieved. Minis. Each wallet is wrapped in soft protective paper by African American workers. Scratch-resistant sleeves are added carefully by looks perfect. Ready to ship.
This one needs to be rerouted to dispatch immediately. Okay, I've already scanned it. Make sure that strap is tight. Yep, scanning the manifest now. Everything checks out.